back to create the moss design. So there's all different ways of creating moss design, whether it's fresh or dry, but mine are a little bit just more in the dry and just very natural and very nature-like scenery. I also add here the lava stone and some essential oils. Here I added actually fir needle essential oil. It smells really nice. I just love bringing the nature indoors, so everything with your five senses also then as scent therapy, not just plant therapy. This, which I believe I showed earlier as well, so just with a mason jar, all sorts of different nature elements, and here you have a little bit of a different take on that. So this is kind of how you would get everything. So you have the different mosses, you have the container, a little soil, some stones, and all sorts of different elements. But before I begin with that, I just want to show quickly how you can also make just kind of more of a beach sand type of a design with the same type of container. I'm just going to use first this kind of white sand. I'm just going to pour that in there. Probably about a quarter way. I love how this clean looks. So beautiful. Maybe a little more. Just giving it maybe different heights. I'm going to add maybe 1 or 2 shells. Just real clean design. I just want this as just a beach feel, and that's kind of really it. I might just add a little green in the back so that you kind of like hiking, you know. And that would be it. How pretty and fresh and clean is that? Yes. And that took 2 seconds. After here, I'd also like to add, you know, a beach kind of a freshness. So whether you're going with, you know, I mean, not citrus per se, but I definitely like something, maybe eucalyptus or rosemary, or I'm not into those kind of ocean fragrances, nothing fragrance, only everything very fresh and essential oil of all natural. So that smells delicious. Or something like a bergamot. That's what I would add, is bergamot to here. So I'm just going to take a quick picture of that, and then I'll come back and show you how to create the moss design. Because this is like a sand here. Let me show it close up. Just really simple and clean. Hamptonish, right? Just perfect for the Hamptons or anything like that.